Hello everyone. We're going to San Francisco. Well, first we're landing in Oakland, and then we're driving to San Francisco.
I'm excited.
This is Christian's very first airplane ride, and this is going to be his very first Uber.
Yeah.
What an uncultured boy.
But I could just drive myself. I could fly myself too if I wanted to. Oh, that's right. There's no cologne. I can't bring it no matter what.
He's so happy. This is Christian's very first time in LAX. We're taking Southwest.
What am I doing?
There's my mom.
I'm lost right now. I'm scared.
How was airport security?
The lady was asking if I had protein powder in there and a whole bunch of other things like an iPad, an Xbox, a PlayStation. I said, I don't know what she's talking about. And then I wanted to see if she was going to say the same thing to Lonnie. She didn't say anything. It was pretty fun. I like it. How much are the Pringles, you think? Too much? They got Beats by Dre.
This isn't autofocus.
How beautiful that looks. Oh my gosh, dude. It's amazing to me because I've never been on an airplane. Everybody's so tiny. Like me.
What's going on?
LA Shaman, hello from the flight deck and our initial team.
We have arrived in Oakland.
I thought it was a photo.
We're in Oakland.
I'm gonna see Marshawn Lynch, Antonio Brown, all the Raiders. I'm gonna move here. It's a great place.
Yeah,
Oh
you've only seen the airport.
Don't go on an airplane again. It hurts my ears. It's terrible.
He's weak.
The worst experience in my life.
We're not taking him anywhere anymore.
Wait, no!
Yeah,
I'm
he's
just
too
kidding.
weak.
I'm just kidding. I'm just playing around.
Your ice cream. So late. Always getting cookies and cream.
That's the best.
I got.
That'll be it. You want to bet?
Oakland is not a big city.
Wait.
Okay. Oh, it looked like he was. Yeah. Because he know they want to get it by their own self.
This is my friend.
They start going for it by their own self.
Look. Oh, chicken sandwich.
They're sold out.
No. What?
Stop.
Two kids.
Hello, we just took a nap for 10 million hours. And now it's time to go to dinner.
I was awake the whole time.
Christian slept right when we got into the room. And
Even before.
he didn't move since. And we also fell asleep in the lobby before that. But we're going to eat now.
Good food. Bye bye.
It is the next day, and we're going to Jack London Square to eat brunch. We're in the bathroom because the lighting is really good. Yeah, we're gonna walk there because parking is difficult.
I can't drive the car because I'm not 25.
Yeah, we can't drive the rental car.
Believe it or not. We've been walking around. I love Oakland. But Lonnie says it smells like pee all the time.
It does smell like pee.
Where are we going, Lonnie? See that? Already lost. But at least it's in Oakland, the best city in the world. Oh, it smells bad again. I love this place.
I got eggs baked in tomato sauce. We got mac and cheese with bacon.
Macaroni and cheese with bacon.
Let me know how it tastes.
Alright, hopefully it's not hot. Seven, 8 out of 10.
You don't sound amazed.
It's because like I enjoy processed fake food like Kraft macaroni and cheese. Okay, this is actually real food, and I love KFC. I like McDonald's. Real food doesn't taste the same, but it's still yummy. So I'll say Yummy?
That wasn't very satisfying.
Stop playing with your food. Okay, we're gonna eat now. Bye bye.
Hello.
Hello.
We made it to Japantown in San Francisco.
It's a great drive, honestly. It's so, oh my gosh, everything is like down.
Let's go. Yeah, this is Christian's very first time in San Francisco.
It's so cool. We're in the best part, Japantown. I want to do that too. Do it at the same time.
Okay, we got mochi donuts from Mochill Mochi Donuts. Christian's about to try his first mochi donut ever.
I'm gonna grab this one.
Okay.
Dude, it's so good.
How does it compare to Krispy Kreme?
Nothing beats Krispy Kreme. 9.5 out of 10. It's like pretty solid.
It has like a cool texture, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And they're not greasy.
In Japan. So bad. Oh my god. Come here, friend. Come here, friend.
Look at my dog.
Dogs in the night, and I think to myself,
You're a deli. Fudge caramel? Yeah. Where's the classic milk chocolate?
Little guys.
We're gonna find it. This one. I'm a pro.
Oh my goodness. Ah.
That's why I'm like, okay, at the very least, if we're gonna stay that
Ow. I turned this. Where?
Just look at this.
It's cute, right? It's the best. We're the best city in the world. Oakland. Oakland's the best.
This is San Francisco, silly.
Wow.
looks delicious.
Vanilla, strawberry, and vanilla ice cream with pineapple, strawberry, hot fudge, banana. Yummy.
Yeah, pretty good.
Are you still doing video? There's one in the can.
Gosh. We're in the farmer's market.
Wow, wow, wow. Look, Lee
Oh.
Produce, J. Lee.
How many times have you eaten fried chicken?
3 or 4. Every day. Every day.
Every day he had fried chicken.
Let me join you.
You do it wrong.
I don't know how to do it. I have broken knees.
Pigeon toed.
I walk like that.
You do this?
Yeah. Wait, what? How'd you do that? Can you do this up?
What are you doing?
This is so cute, Lonnie.
Talk to me.
We are getting peaches and plums because I really want a plum because I wasn't allowed to eat plums all summer.
You excited to go to San Francisco?
Yes. We're going on a boat.
You're cute. You're cute. Dance for me.
We got the bag.
We got the bag, everybody. Look, we got the bag. We got the bag. Yay. The bag. Oh, she got the bag too. Oh, he's got the bag. She's got the bag. Hey. Hello.
Hi.
Oh,
There's 2 shapes.
this is cute.
Isn't it cute? That's pretty.
Hey,
I like that one.
that's cute.
That's cute too.
Like a Safari Explorer. Wow. Hey?
I don't want to pay $25.
Huh?
I don't know.
I'll get it for you.
I would have paid $10. It was $10.
How much is it?
25.
What?
Or if it was 20. But the extra 5 set me off.
I know. I feel you.
Perfect. It's a keychain though.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can we take a picture, please?
Oh,
Just
yeah.
for just our manager to see what we're actually doing.
What did we get?
We just helped Abdurrahman with a sale of Doctors Without Borders.
We're helping the children.
We're actually just helping Abdurrahman because he is on commission.
Commission, but we also helping the
See
children.
that? Children.
And we got free keychain.
Damn. See that? We're doing good things out here.
It's not even us, it's my dad.
I'm doing good things out here.
You're not buying anything.
I got the keychain though.
You took from them instead of giving to
He
them.
offered. He said, "Would you like a keychain?" I said, "Yeah."
Where are we at?
Pier 39, I think. That's what it says. I have no idea still.
Christian loves donuts.
I love donuts. I'm about to dive in there. 100 likes, I'll dive in there right now. Easy.
Yeah.
You can't go anywhere. You run away with this one, take your girlfriend. Got you. You can always take your tub. Well, she's happy. Get in the sun though. Get in the sun. Dude, look at me, bro. They gave me a free job.
Alcatraz. The prisoners are swimming here.
Sea doggos. Oh, there's so many.
So cute! Look at them!
Sea doggos. Funny.
Whenever a new guy comes, they're like, stop!
Yes, people, make some noise.
Boat.
Yeah, boats and tries.
Sponsored by Hockey. Pretty good. Welcome to the home of our famous crab cakes and teddy bears. let me show you one. Follow me, so right over here. What is this? Oh, what the hell?
How are you supposed to do it?
Whoa!
I'm baking the bread.
The full summary.
Tell me about Boudin.
So her name was Louise Boudin. She started her company with her husband, but he met an unfortunate death which left her by herself in the Victorian era, which is her 4 children by herself. And she continued to make lots of bread, and what makes her so special is that instead of following what everybody else was doing, which was using commercial yeast as a leavening agent, which is I don't know, but she didn't want to be like everyone else, and she wanted to be original and unique, and so she kept her own leavening agent in the bread, and to this day, she passed away at like 1910 and left her children to continue on the business.
Nice. Thank you. I have been enlightened.
Friends.
Bloop.
Meow. That was so cool. Hot too.
Look at the dough rise.
Wow.
The hash slinging slasher.
Fisherman's Wharf. Oh my god.
Come on.
Oh my god. I lost. It's not hot. What?
Disappointed.
She wasn't even
She
hot.
didn't show any nips.
She didn't show anything. For 25 cents, she didn't show anything.
Oh my god. What did they do to you?
Finally. And it's free this time.
Hello. today is our last day. We went to a new hotel last night. Today is our last day of life. And we're flying home at 6? At 6
Don't say life.
of our vacation.
That's
Start
what we're
over.
doing.
Delete it.
Show them this.
Okay, we are in our new hotel. It's next to the airport. You can see all the airplanes. Wow.
Wow.
So, whoa, what happened? Oh, we are gonna go to San Francisco. I mean, we're in San Francisco. We're gonna go to the city and eat and then fly home. Let's go. Okay, bye. Woo!
It's not funny. What if a real ghost came? If there's a real ghost that came, I wouldn't help you.
Thanks.
I would let the ghost eat you.
Eat me?
Yeah, that's what ghosts do, right? That's not a dinosaur. Or a duck. That's the noises ducks make.
Lighting is not good. It's dark on this side.
Exit right.
Wow. Wow.
I'm gonna go to the car behind you.
Hello.
I could have made it if I didn't tear my ACL. I would have been in the NFL already.
Damn.
So now I just play in the backyard with the boys.
Hello everyone. We are once again at Fisherman's Wharf because we went to the wrong place. We were supposed to go to the ferry marketplace, but we went to Pier 35 instead. And it was sad, but then we found food, so we'll be okay.
It's correct to me. They all look the same. So I'm okay. I'm okay. I just cried.
Beautiful. I'm trying to see the view, excuse me.
I am the
Christian's favorite. Oh my goodness.
I'm trying to open it so badly, I just cannot open it. Wow.
Two glaze and an Oreo.
Gotta try this one first. Tastes so good.
What's inside? Show me the inside.
Really nothing. I feel, oh, it's in there.
Is it?
Wait, let me get another bite. It's delicious.
Show. What's inside? Is it cream? Yummy.
These are the best ones.
Give me a bite.
Yummy.
I don't like it. Yeah, it's been 5 minutes.
It's nothing.
Oh no. It is now my turn to get dessert. I'm getting frozen yogurt at Loving I got vanilla frozen yogurt mixed in with banana graham crackers and cinnamon.
Wow. Wow. That's my girl. I'm too full. No, I'm too full. I'm gonna throw up. Yeah.
We're at San Francisco airport. And we're going home. We have to wait 40 minutes.
So we're watching Demon Slayer. That's all.
And, okay, see you at home. Adios.